What's up, guys? This is if you've been watching the channel for any time this month, you've been noticing that I've been putting supplemental lessons for my high school students. We're doing a Purple music tribute. We're closing it off, this big medley with a live arrangement of Sheila E.'s Glamorous Life. So what I'm about to show you guys is really also for my students, so that they have no excuses whatsoever to not have their parts. You don't see my face because you don't need to. You need to see my hands. So we're gonna break this section down, and this line is from my guitar players and my bass player, so they have their fingering and all that stuff, and how we're gonna systematically break down each little section of this. Okay, so let's take a listen to it real quick, and hopefully we won't get a copyright strike. Here it is. Okay, so the thing that we've gone over in class that you guys already know, okay, the first part. Remember, take those notes and play them mindfully. Get that, just get the notes. Okay, so our first part. Okay, so that's the first part. We've drilled that in class, so you guys have that. You also have the second part, okay? So that's one. We can look at those two lines as one section, okay? So let's call that 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now here's the second two phrases, and we'll call this 2. Sorry. Okay, so 1, here's 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. That's 1. Here's 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, they're very similar. Okay, so that's 1 and 2. Here's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bop, bop. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Bop, bop. So that would be 3. Let me do 3 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so that's 3 parts. So this is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bop, bop. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Bop, bop. Now watch this. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go back to what we learned in 2. Hold that. And we haven't gone over the keyboard part yet in class. So, I know, don't trip. I know some of y'all have got the big eyes right now, like, we didn't do that in class yet. I know. Okay, so don't freak out. All right. I'm gonna play this again with the recording. I want you to look at the recording. Make sure you know that. Okay? Take notes and everything. Remember, now today I'm recording this. I'm putting this out on Monday. But the homework on Wednesday, last time I saw you guys, was to be watching this arrangement. So it shouldn't be completely foreign to you. All right? So here it is again. This is right after guitar solo, but we're not doing a guitar solo. This is where Kenya's doing her drum thing when we go into this. Okay? So here it is. This is 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Oh, I messed up. See, I messed up. I'm going to do it again. Here's. Okay, let's try that again. Because I moved that up. The sun is in my eyes. That's my excuse. So, let me fix this. Woo! There, that's better. Let's do that one more time. This is right after the guitar solo. Go. Let's try it again. Here's 1. Now explain what that is. Here we go. Okay, so when we go, that's the E flat, and then half step hammer on to E, back to E flat. So don't let this intimidate you guys. Take those parts. That's going to be the same line for all guitars and bass. That's what we're going to play it as a solo line. So I'm going to do it one last time for you real slow. That's 1. This is 1. The whole block is 1. 1. 1, 2, 3. Here's 2, 4, 1. Here's 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Now we're back to another one we already know. 4, 1. And we already know this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Block, block. And that's when this is when we're about to get out of it and you can take a big sigh of relief, okay? So that is our big section in the live arrangement, Sheila E. Glamorous Life. Vanessa, don't you panic either. I got you on the keyboards, okay? Just not in this video, all right? But that's where we're going with this. Ladies and gentlemen, I will see you in class, all right? Have fun with it. Peace.